So this is the view for our next activity, which is our blind drawing activity. So the main idea with this is that you're going to be looking at what you're drawing rather than looking at the drawing itself. So for that reason, I'm going to get you to have a piece of paper on top of your drawing, so all you're focusing on is this image here. You're not worrying about what your drawing is looking like, and it will just mean that you're not tempted to look at your drawing and change it or do anything like that. You're just focusing on observing the space. So what I'm going to get you to do is take your graphite pencil to start with, and a bit like our continuous line drawing, you're going to go from left to right on your piece of paper, trying to capture as much information as possible as you can from observing this space. So you won't be able to see what you're drawing, you're just really soaking in all of the information in front of you. So start by getting those main structural shapes down, nice and simple. You might like to start recording some of the detail you can see. Everybody will notice different important things from this view. So I look at this view and I love all the patterns of the books on that first floor. Somebody else might look at this view and go, oh, I love all the reflections that appear in the floor. So, in that nice shiny floor. So you're the artist, you choose what things you would like to capture. So I'm going to give you another 20 seconds on this. So again, you're not looking at your drawing, you're just looking at this view in front of you, so what you're drawing. Try and record as much as you possibly can. So just use that pencil to try and mirror what you can see in front of you. As much information as you can. Okay, right, now if you take your piece of paper up so that you can reveal your drawing and what you've recorded, I'd now like you to take one colour and use that to start working over the top. So now that you can see your drawing and you can see the view, use that one colour to decide what you need to redefine, what you need to maybe colour in or shade in, what you need to add. But try not to use this colour to redraw everything. Look at your drawing and how you have drawn it quite instinctively, and use those marks to work into and over. So you're taking those first graphite drawing marks and you're using your second colour, now that you can see the view and you're drawing at the same time, to draw together. So take a little look at my example picture and it might give you a bit of an idea of how you could approach this. So this is very much about kind of warming up your hand-eye kind of coordination with the different views in the Weston Library space.